importantly, how do I respond to Dr. Imperiali's friend request? And how do I follow myself? This is a metaphysical nightmare.
I want to follow Kanye West. His MiChart updates are hilarious.
My screen is showing that I have engaged the center of data, propelled through the invoice seizure, and now I'm trying to resolve the rendezvous, but it's telling me that I can't until I exit the unhappy dimension?
Mine's saying the same thing, but I also can't access the Tesseractual experiment when it happens, and don't you need that to navigate the space, my time continuum? What's wrong?
Can anyone hear me? I can't leave the space my time continuum. I'm locked in hyperspace, and I can't get out. F2 moves you through! F2 moves you through! F2 moves you through!
Do try to remain calm. We expect a couple of hiccups with every implementation process. Do not panic. I repeat, do not panic.
Machine! You hear me, MiChart? My Atticus is more sentient than you are! This is a tragedy!
A tragedy unparalleled since the dying of Irving Smoker's is this indeed a